In this tutorial for Google Analytics 4, I'll guide you through the initial steps you need to take, and I'll also provide you with additional guidance to help you get started smoothly. Before you begin using Google Analytics, ensure you have a registered Google account with an email address and password. To access GA, you'll need to sign up for Google Analytics using your Google account. Here's a basic overview of the steps to set up Google Analytics for your website, using a class reunion website as an example. Step 1. Creating a Google Analytics account. Visit the Google Analytics website and sign in with your Google account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one by following the prompts to set up a new Google Analytics account. Step 2. Creating and naming your property. Once logged in, create a new property by clicking on the Admin button in the lower left corner. Select Create Property and provide details such as the website URL, industry category, and reporting time zone. Complete this step by finalizing the property creation with accurate details. Step 3. Adding a view or data stream. For Universal Analytics, click on the Admin button. Under the View column, click on Create View and set up a view for your property. You can create up to 25 views in Universal Analytics. For GA4, GA4 uses data streams instead of views. To create a data stream, navigate to the relevant property and click on Data Streams. Follow the prompts to set up the data stream for your website. Step 4. Inserting the tracking code. After creating the property, you'll receive a unique tracking code. Copy this tracking code provided by Google Analytics. Paste this code into the head section of each web page you want to track on your website. Ensure you accurately select the site type, static, dynamic, web hosting, or Google Tag Manager when setting up data collection to ensure proper tracking. Step 5. Verifying tracking code functionality. Once the tracking code is implemented, access the Google Analytics portal. Navigate to the Real-Time Reports section. Open a separate tab or use your phone to visit your website. Check the real-time reports in Google Analytics to confirm at least one visitor is being tracked. Initially, this might be yourself. By following these steps, you can successfully set up Google Analytics to track visitor data on your website. This process involves creating an account, setting up the property, adding tracking codes, and verifying their functionality to begin collecting data effectively for analysis in Google Analytics. On the other hand, Google Analytics comprises several key components that are essential to grasp when diving into its functionality. The organization level represents a company and can hold multiple GA accounts, which is recommended for larger businesses. Accounts are mandatory and serve as containers for properties, allowing up to 50 properties per account and granting user permissions. Properties signify websites or apps and can accommodate up to 25 views each. Views are crucial, with at least 2 recommended per property, one raw and another filtered, to preserve unaltered data. In GA4, data streams offer insights across various operating systems, while understanding the distinction between dimensions, categorical variables, and metrics, quantitative variables, is pivotal for effective use, as metrics are actionable quantitative data crucial for analysis and decision-making in Google Analytics. Google Analytics offers the capability to create custom dimensions and metrics, allowing users to combine analytics data with non-analytics information for deeper insights. For instance, tracking membership types from a CRM system alongside page views can reveal page views by membership type. Similarly, for a blog, creating custom dimensions for different reader types like advocates, subscribers, and customers can show how audience engagement influences metrics such as conversions or pages per session. Audiences in GA represent groups of users with common characteristics which can be preset, like location or age, or customized. Preset audiences are automatically generated once the tracking code is installed, while custom audiences can be created for specific criteria, like targeting Australian millennials. Creating custom audiences involves defining user traits based on objectives, and once established, these audiences can be used as the basis for audience reports in Google Analytics. With that, let's understand the Google Analytics report. Google Analytics offers 5 primary reports accessible from the left-hand side of the screen, providing valuable insights into website performance. The real-time report showcases current site activity, offering details on visitor count, visited pages, traffic sources, and locations. While intriguing, this report is generally less critical for long-term analysis, serving purposes like monitoring new post impact or verifying tracking setups. The audience report furnishes a high-level overview of the property, covering sections like demographics, interests, behavior, and more. Active users report assesses short and long-term user engagement, indicating potential retention issues if daily users significantly outweigh extended-term ones. The lifetime value report assesses user value by channel, aiding decisions on investment. Cohort analysis groups users by characteristics, examining metrics over specified time intervals to evaluate user behavior and retention patterns. Each report serves distinct purposes, aiding in understanding audience behavior and site performance for informed decision-making. Move on to the Google Analytics Acquisition Reports. The Acquisition Report in Google Analytics categorizes website traffic into various sources such as organic, direct, referral, email, social, paid search, display, affiliate, and other, which encompasses unclassified traffic subsets. It offers a breakdown of where your traffic originates. The subsequent report, Source or Medium, delves further into these categories, providing a detailed view of traffic sources. For instance, it might reveal that a significant portion of referral traffic comes from LinkedIn, while a smaller fraction originates from Pinterest. This detailed breakdown aids in understanding specific sources driving traffic to the site, enabling adjustments in marketing strategies based on the performance of each source. And last is Google Analytics Behavior Reports. The behavior reports in Google Analytics provide insights into how users interact with your website or app. These reports offer valuable information about user engagement, content performance, and navigation paths within your site. Here are key components of behavior reports. 1. Overview. This section gives a general snapshot of your site's performance, including metrics like page views, unique page views, average time on page, bounce rate, and more. 2. Behavior flow. It visually displays the path users take through your site, indicating popular pages and the sequence of interactions, helping you understand user behavior and navigation patterns. 3. Site content. This report details how specific pages or content on your website perform. It includes metrics like page views, unique page views, average time on page, entrances, exit rates, and more, allowing you to identify popular content and areas that might need improvement. 4. Site speed. This section focuses on your site's loading times across different pages, providing insights into user experience. It includes metrics such as average page load time, page timings, suggestions for improvement, and speed-related data. 5. Events. This report tracks user interactions with specific elements on your site, such as downloads, video views, clicks on buttons, or form submissions. It helps in evaluating the effectiveness of certain features or campaigns. 6. Publisher. If you're running ads or monetizing content, this section helps analyze the performance of ads or affiliate links, providing information about revenue, clicks, impressions, and other relevant data. Behavior reports are valuable for understanding user engagement, optimizing content, improving site speed, and evaluating the effectiveness of various elements on your website to enhance overall user experience. Well, that's it for today. As you dive into Google Analytics, you're uncovering powerful insights about your website. Understanding behavior reports, acquisition reports, and more helps you make smarter decisions online. But guess what? This is just the start. What will you do with these insights first? How will you improve your website using what you've learned? Share your ideas in the comments below. For more helpful tips and guides, subscribe to stay in the know. And if you liked this guide, give it a thumbs up.